If you think you've got hidden apps on your iPhone, whether they're tucked away in folders, app library, or hidden from your home screen, here's how to find them. First, use the search tool. From your home screen, swipe down to open Spotlight Search. Then tap the name of your app you're looking for, and if it's installed, it will show up even if it's hidden. Tap to open the app directly from there. Next, check the app library. Swipe all the way to the last page of your home screen. This opens the app library. Scroll or use the search bar at the top to find any installed app. Even hidden or removed from home apps appear here. After that, look inside folders. Apps can be hidden inside folders on your home screen. Open each folder and scroll through pages inside them. It's easy to miss a tucked away icon. After that, unhide apps from the home screen. If the app is installed but not showing on your home screen, press and hold the app in the app library, then tap Add to Home Screen. Now it's back where you can see it. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.